Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a recruitment notification that has been published by Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observation Science or ARIES. ARIES is going to recruit engineering assistant, scientists, scientific assistant and consultants. So friends, before we begin, I would like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every engineering recruitment notification, be it state government recruitment notification, central government recruitment notification or any other public sector undertaking organizations. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, if you are watching those videos for the first time, then please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further update. So friends, coming back to the discussion. So if you look at the educational qualification ranges from ITI, diploma to bachelor degree and post graduation. If you look at the first post, friends, the first post is scientist group B. Number of vacancies only one, that is also unreserved. And educational qualification for scientist group B is MSc in physics from a recognized university with minimum 55% of qualifying marks, and 2 years post qualification experience is also required. If you look at the age limitations, friends, maximum 35 years as on 15 June 2020, and pay scale is from 56,100 till 1,77,500. So now coming to junior engineering assistant, number of vacancy in junior engineering assistant category is 3 numbers, 2 for unreserved category of candidates and 1 for OBC. If you look at the educational qualification, friends, 2 years ITI certificate in electrician or electronic trade is required, and also 2 years post qualification experience in the same trade is required. If you look at the age limitation, friends, maximum age is 27 years as on 15 June 2020 and a pay scale of 25,500 till 81,100 will be paid. And if you look at the third post, friends, that is junior scientific assistant, number of vacancy is 2. One is for unreserved category of candidates and 1 for SC. And educational qualification, friends, BSc with physics and mathematics as compulsory subject, and also 2 years post qualification experience is required for this post. And friends, pay scale is same and age criteria is also same like the previous post. And if you look at consultant finance and accounts, number of vacancies is only 1, and educational qualification is graduate in any discipline from recognized university. Preference will be given to SAS qualified candidates, and the applicant should be retired officer. So this post is basically for retired persons or retired officers, you can say. So that's why maximum age limitation is 65 years and consolidated pay of 40,000 would be provided for this post. And friends, you will look at the fifth post, that is consultant administration, number of vacancies only 1, and educational qualifications graduate in any discipline from recognized university. The applicant should be a retired officer for this post. This post also retired officer is required. So that's why age limitation is 65 years as on 15 June 2020. And for this post as well, consolidated pay of 40,000 will be provided. And if you look at the upper age relaxation is relaxable as per government norms. That is 5 years for SC and ST category of candidates, 3 years for OBC category of candidates, and friends, 10 years for physically challenged category of candidates. So friends, what is the procedure of application? This is a website by following which you can get each and every information regarding this recruitment, and the link is available in the description box of this video itself, as well as you can get the detailed information from our Telegram channel as well. By following the link which is available in the description box of this video, you can join our Telegram channel as well. So friends, if you look at the other informations, you have to apply, basically how to apply. Eligible and interested candidate may send their application form at the below mentioned address. That is, the procedure of application is offline. So where from you can get the application form PDF copy of application form is available in the description box as well. By following the link, you can download the PDF copy and you can print out and you can fill up that application form and you can send to the this address. The address is mentioned here. This is the specific address, and you have to subscribe at the top mentioning application for the post of for which post you are applying, that you have to mention. And friends, if you look at the other informations like last date and address, the last date is 15 June 2020 and this is the address where you have to send your application form. You can get this address in the description box of this video also. So friends, thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead.